These new hydro panels installed here at Hurstville Aquatic Center work by drawing in water from the air around us via fans and absorbing it onto a special material. The water starts off pure, similar to distilled water. It is then mineralized with calcium and magnesium for health and taste benefits.
So when you walk around the center, you don't see bins full of empty single-use water bottles. Instead, you see our members going to a fountain, filling up their water bottle, and getting great tasting water. And of course, they need to drink water to stay hydrated, so we're providing a good service for them with great water. What it means for us here is that we're reducing our waste. We did the calculation, so over a 15-year period of time, our 8 hydro panels on the roof could reduce the need for almost 500,000 single-use plastic water bottles.